Okay, we're here at Compu-graphix. Nature Boy here, and I'm with Blake. And has made me some really nice decals from a boat. First of all, some oversized decals for the boat hull. And first time I've named my boat, and they've done a beautiful job. And I called it Zing Pow. And that's going to go on the side of the boat. I'm really excited about it. And he showed me how to put it on there. And I just want to give him a shout out. I'd like to put a shout out to Compu-graphix and Blake.
Thank you, sir.
And thank you. And we appreciate your business. That's right. And there we are. That's right. Okay, why Zing Pow? Well, Zing Pow is an ancient fisherman's term when you catch a big fish, and sometimes your drag might be a little bit too tight, and the fish will make a big jump, or it will bolt, and all of a sudden your line will go Zing Pow, and that's what happens. I'm always reminded, keep a loose drag. That's right.